So good morning everyone. In the last class we learned the concept of square and rectangle. Class, if you remember, we have discussed the formulas of perimeter of rectangle and area, and similarly we have done the perimeter and area of square. The only question which was little bit lengthy and little bit proper was the last one, in which you had to paint a wall. In this question, we have easily found the area of a rectangle, that is the wall, minus area of the door, and we found the cost also. I hope these questions are not that tough for you. This was very easy, and I have shared the video also on YouTube. So if you have any confusion with that, you can check always with those. Now, let's see the next concept, triangles as part of rectangles. So now what's this? We all know that we can divide a given rectangle in triangles also. That's it, they are want to say. So, okay, generating other congruent parts, fine, not that much area of a parallelogram. Okay, the new topic is area of a parallelogram. Let's see. So please don't close the links of model test papers. Okay, Kritika, I will not close it. The next concept is area of parallelogram. Class, before finding area of parallelogram, tell me what is area of this triangle A, B, C. If you know that this is 3 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, and this is 5 centimeter, can you find area of this triangle right now? Please tell. Can you find area of this triangle right now? No, Sarvagya, it is not like that you will multiply anything and you get the answer. No. If you have studied the answer, you should know that. No, Rehan, it's wrong. Wrong. Try to think. Sir, they should be same. Okay. To find the area of triangle, what formula you have studied? Just tell me that. Which formula you have studied for area of triangle? Class, please tell. Sir, unmute me. Anshita. Anshita at the end. Yes, yes, Bani, it is correct. Anyone else? Which formula we have studied for area of triangle? We all have studied the formula as half into base into height. My God, Rayan, side into 3. That is perimeter. 3 into side, and that also in the case of equilateral triangle that you are saying. The formula of area of a triangle is half base into height. So the question comes, in this triangle, have I given you any height? Do you know which side is the height? You don't know that thing. Okay. If I say this angle is 90 degree, plus if I say this angle is 90 degree, can you say which is height and which is base? Just tell me in terms of AC and AB, which will you take as height and which will you take as base? Yes, it depends. You can take any of them as base or height. This is your hypotenuse. This is your hypotenuse. If you remember, I told you hypotenuse is the longest side and also opposite to that, what do you say, right angle. So we can draw this triangle as this also. And now it is easy for us. This is 3 centimeter BC and A, and this is your C. This is 5 centimeter. Sorry, one mistake is there. I think it is B and A. No? This is A. Right angle is A. Sorry. This is the triangle that we are having. So now you can easily apply the formula half base into height, half into base, that is AB, and height, that is AC. Now the question comes, which side you call as base? Class, the question is, which side you call as base? Base is that side on which perpendicular is drawn. Try to understand. Base is, no, Sarvagya, never say this thing, that base is the down one. If this is a car, please tell me class, if this is a car, the base is this only? Can we say this is the base? Class, can we say this is the base? Yes, because this is the base only. No? This is the lower part of this triangle. Base is this only. Here we have the chasis. If I make it like this, if I keep it like this, will you say this is the base? Class, can we say this is the base now? No, this is again top only. Just by reversing, you cannot say that the base will always be on the lower side. Class, try to understand this thing. The base is base. It is not like it will be on the lower side or the upper side. This is not the case. Okay. Now, still the question comes: how to find the base? So I'm telling you, on whichever side we have the perpendicular drawn, on whichever side we have the perpendicular drawn is your base. You can see in a tent also, we have a bamboo standing like this. So we say this is the base of tent. Plus, if you see, I'm showing it, don't worry. If this is a tent and we have placed a bamboo like this, we call it as height. If you remember, then what is base? Then base is this BC. Why? Because on the base we have drawn a perpendicular. So on whichever side you draw a perpendicular, that will be your base, and the perpendicular will be your height. So perpendicular is the height, and on the side on which it is coming is your base. Now let me show you another example. In the same triangle ABC, if I draw this BD and say these angles are 90°, tell me what is the base. Tell me what is the base. Very good. Sarvagya, Bani, Ekta, all are correct. Alan correct. So on whichever side you have your perpendicular drawn, that will be considered your base. And what is the height? What is the height? Height is BD. Very good. Height is the perpendicular and base is AC. That's why I was telling you the example of car. If car is kept straight or in the correct way, base is this one. If you topple it, then also the base will remain the same only. Okay. Don't say the thing which is coming on the bottom is base. Don't say this thing. Okay. Now let's see. Okay, Sarvagya. Good. Now let's see some concepts of parallelogram. Before parallelogram, let me compare the two figures. We have a rectangle, suppose this one. A, B, C, D. Class, we all know the area of rectangle is how much? Please tell. If this is length and this is breadth, we have found the area of rectangle is length into breadth. But how it came? The question is how it came. Let's see how. If I divide this rectangle in two triangles, what will happen? Sir, I will tell Bani. Okay, Bani, let me unmute you. You are literally curious about this. So let's see. Yes, Bani.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, actually, area, when we
Hmm.
will divide it into two, like you were telling now, I was
Yes.
about to tell the same thing. Like two
Hmm.
triangles are there,
So, so
half into base. Both
like this we
is
have
there.
got. Yes, yes, yes. Like this we have gotten this, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So class, we can see in this triangle. Please
Same
tell
to
me.
same.
In this is the base and this is the height. If I'm not wrong, because we all know in a rectangle all the angles are 90°. Plus, what is the area of this triangle? Please tell. I have divided my rectangle in two parts. Tell me the area of first part. This is second part. Tell me the area of first part. It is half into. Sir, can you please repeat? My Wi-Fi was gone. Okay, Sarvagya, I am trying to show you how the area of rectangle we have got as L into B. This only I am trying to show. Okay. So what I've done is, Sarvagya, I have divided the rectangle in two triangles. First triangle ABC and second triangle ADC. If you join them, you get the rectangle back. So tell me what is the area of triangle ABC? Tell me what is the area of triangle ABC, half into AB into BC, because AB is the base and BC is the height. Yes, class? That means half into L into B. I have taken BC as B and AB as L. Now tell me, class, of second part, what is the area? First tell me what is the height and what is the base you will take. Which side you will take as height and which side you will take as base. Just tell me that. Height is very good, very good. Base is CA. No, 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 Ekta, no. CA, how CA can be base? Are these angles 90 degree? I have told you, base is that side on which we have a right angle. Yes, you can take either DA as base or DC as base. It is your choice. But normally we take DC as base because this angle is right angle. We can say this is your base and this is your height. Again, we can say the formula is half into base, that is BC, into height, that is AD, which becomes half into L into B. Now, if you add both the points or both the areas, yes, reverse also we can say, Bani, because we know product is, yes, Bani, product is commutative. A into B is same as B into A. Yes, Ashmit, AC is hypotenuse, but that is not required. Now, just if we add this half LB and half LB, what will you get? Class, please tell me. Half into LB plus half into LB, we will get, half will be common. We get LB plus LB, half into 2LB, 2 and 2 will cancel, and the answer is LB. Sir, please repeat again. Why formula L into B of triangle? Okay. Triangle formula is half base into height. Mokshita, I have made the rectangle in two parts as two triangles and I found the area separately. I found area of first part is half L into B. I found area of second triangle is also half L into B. And if I add both the areas, Mokshita, if I add both the half LB, I get LB. That's why we got the answer as LB of rectangle. Okay, this I am just showing to make you understand the concept of rhombus. Okay, now let's see. In the case of rhombus, we don't have any perpendicular sides. Let me show you. Let me show you 1 second. Yes, yes, Mani. Let me show you a parallelogram now. Plus, just 1 second. Okay. So this is a parallelogram. Plus, can you say any of the angle is right angle in this one? Do we have any angle right angle? Can you tell me? Can we say not even a single angle is a right angle? So what should we take as base? That is the problem. Plus, that is the problem. We cannot take any angle as right angle. No, you can't take AB as base right now, Ryan. You cannot take. You have to have a perpendicular first. Until and unless you have a perpendicular, you cannot say. We can divide in triangle. Okay, you can divide, but still you will not get any help. The same reason, you don't have any perpendicular. Ekta, try to understand. You don't have any perpendicular, that's why you don't have any base. So can we extend it? Yes, we can extend. We can make it a rectangle. Very good, Lavya, very good. We can make it a rectangle. Suppose it is a eraser. Suppose it is a eraser. What will happen if I push this side? What will happen? Can we make it a rectangle by pushing? Please tell. If it is an eraser in this angle and if I stick the base AB, if I paste the base AB on the bottom and I push it like this, it will become straight like this. You have to visualize a little bit. So it is something like it was this, and when you pushed, it became like this, like a rectangle. So it is close to rectangle, but still the question is same. Where is the perpendicular? We have to draw the perpendicular from our side, or maybe it is given to you in an examination. Suppose this is a perpendicular I am drawing. Please tell me, if this is the perpendicular DF, then what is the base? If in a parallelogram I give you DF as perpendicular, what is the base? Please tell. The base is very good. The base is BC, on which we have drawn the perpendicular. Perpendicular is taken as what? Class, please tell me. Perpendicular is taken as height. Perpendicular is taken as height. And the base is the side on which perpendicular is drawn. Sir, but how you made the perpendicular? Sir, okay, don't worry. Everything will be clear. Just think little bit and see about this thing that we have drawn a perpendicular, and we can say this is perpendicular and this is height. And now we can say that the area of parallelogram is equal to DF into BC. That is base into height. That's it. It is not AB into BC. Try to understand. We cannot say AB into BC because we need to have a base and a height. And we got the height as TF and base as BC. That's why this is the formula. Or we can say height into base. Sir, in 7.2 last question also we can use double AS. Yes, you can use. If it is there, you can use. Don't worry. Now class, one more thing. I'm repeating. I'm just comparing with one more thing. Suppose you get the height in a different way. Suppose you get the height like this, A, B, C, and this is the height. Suppose this is the height given to you. Now tell me, what is height and what is base in this parallelogram? Yes, you can draw from any vertex. Yes, class. What is the new base and what is the new height of this parallelogram? Yes, height is DE and base is AB. And now, what is area of this parallelogram? Class, please tell me. Area of this parallelogram is equal to how much? It is DE, or you can say AB into DE, base into height. I hope this much is clear to you. Now, let's see one question and things will be clear. Okay. Yes. AE can also be the base. Let me see. No, beta, no. AE is not the base. Complete base you have to take. Complete base you have to take. Okay, Lafia? Complete AB you have to take as base. For the parallelogram, AB is the base. Okay. But what if perpendicular is not given? Then you cannot find the area. Okay. Then you cannot find the area. You must be given the perpendicular to find the answer. Now let's start the questions and try to understand how to do that. 1 second. Let me give you some examples only, so that you can try the question yourself on your own. Okay, let's see. Example number 6. One of the sides of, let me read it. Actually, the chat window is coming in between. 1 second. Today, I hope there is no black spot in the figure, or sorry, on the screen. Please confirm. One of the sides and corresponding height of a parallelogram are 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. They are saying one of the side and the corresponding height. That means we can take 4 as base. Plus, they are saying one of the side and the corresponding height. That means this height is on this base only. So tell me, what is the area of parallelogram? If I name it as AB, C, D, can I say that this is B, C, D, E, let me call it E, let me call it F. Then area is given by AB into EF. That is 4 into 3. That is 12 centimeter square. This is the answer. I hope this is clear to everyone. Like this, they will give you a perpendicular and you will say the side on which perpendicular is standing, that side will be taken as class. The side on which perpendicular is standing, you have to take that side as base. That's it. Now let's see example number 7. Find the height x if area is given to you. Can you do this question, class? It is very easy. Can you find this question? It's very simple. Same equation we will use. In the equation, only one part is missing. I have made you study in simple equations. If there is one variable in an equation, we can always find it easily. I can say if it is A, B, C, and D, and this is E, area is given by base into height. Here the base is CD into height AE is equal to area. Area is known to us how much? Class, what is the area? 24 centimeter square. CD is known to us how much? 4 centimeter into AE is X. And I have told you, whatever you want to find, you have to isolate it. Isolate the X on left hand side, you will get 24 upon 4 and the answer is 6 centimeter. And that is your answer. So it was quite simple. Just we need to write a equation and we need to see what is missing. That missing part we can easily find. Example number 8. Two sides of a parallelogram ABCD are 6 and 4. Okay, so we know two sides like this. Suppose this is the parallelogram ABCD. They are saying, suppose this is 6 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. Class, can I say the area is 24? Please tell me, can we say the area is 6 4 the 24? Please tell. Can I say this thing? No, Sarvagya, no. No, Sarvagya, no. Why? Is this height? Sarvagya, is this height BC? How you can say 6 into 4 is 24 in this case? It is not a perpendicular. It is a parallelogram, not at that angle. Okay. Sorry, can you repeat? Rehan, I said given to us is a parallelogram with two sides 6 and 4. I asked a simple question. Can I say the area of this parallelogram is 6 into 4? Rehan, can I say the area of this parallelogram is 6 into 4? Can I say this thing? No, because 4 and 6 are not correct for base and height right now because we don't know what is height. Let's see. Now they are saying the height corresponding to base CD. The height corresponding to base CD is how much? Okay, my figure is little bit twisted, but no issue. Is 3 centimeter. Okay, so let me make a height like this. My diagram is little bit reversed. They have made it in a straight way. I am making it in a reverse way, but they both are same thing. Yes, Bani, your reason is correct. Don't worry. Now, what is BE? Class, what is BE? They are saying, sir, but why are we seeing answer? Don't see the answer. Don't see the answer. Go with me, okay? I have drawn the figure on my own. I have not drawn their diagram, okay? So you also can do it on your own. ABCD we have drawn. They are saying the height corresponding to base CD. So if I take base as CD, obviously I have to draw a perpendicular in this way. Plus, is it clear to you? If CD is the base, this will be the height. And this is how much? This is 3 centimeter. Now the question is very easy. Tell me what is the answer? Class, tell me what is the answer? Because AB is 6 centimeter, because AB is 6 centimeter, we can say CD equal to how much? It is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, we know opposite sides are parallel as well as equal. So we can say this is also 6 centimeter. And the area is given by base into height. Height is 3 centimeter. Base is 6 centimeter. We can say 6 into 3 is 18 centimeter square. Yes, fine. So you can see they have also solved the question for you and I have also solved the question for you to understand the concept. Now let's see The next question, yes, example number 9. Find the area of following triangles. This is very easy. I will not discuss this one. We will discuss this one. Class, this question I asked you in the exam also. Which kind of triangle is this? Yes, yes, but I will upload. Which kind of triangle is this? Element. Which kind of triangle is this? Element. This is a obtuse angle triangle. You can see this angle is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. And we know that in a obtuse angle triangle, the perpendicular comes outside the triangle. And you can see the example. This is the perpendicular for you outside the triangle. Now tell me, what is the base and what is the height in this triangle? Tell me, what is the base and what is the height of this triangle element? Just tell me that and we are done. The base is 3 and the height is 2. Very good. Tell me the name of the base. If I take OL as base, sorry, OL as height, if OL is height, what is the base? I will take MN as base, not ON. Please try to understand. This was extended. This was extended part. This is not a real part of the triangle. This we have extended just to draw the perpendicular. That's it. Okay. Sir, you didn't see my message. Sarvagya, sorry, I couldn't see. Sorry, I couldn't see that. Okay. So MN is base. Actually, many messages are coming. That's why MN is the base. So we can say the area of this triangle is, sir, we will consider the triangle, not the extended side. Very good, Ekta. So we will say it is half into OL into, sir, why is OL height? Okay. Why OL is height? Because I have told you whatever is standing at an angle of 90 degree or whatever is perpendicular to the base is taken as height. Mokshita, whatever is standing perpendicular to the base is taken as height. So we can say the answer is half OL into MN. And if you put the value, you will get the answer as, sir, it is not a part of triangle. Yes, Mokshita. But the problem is, if you want to find area of this triangle, you need to have a perpendicular. The problem is you need to have perpendicular. And we know in an obtuse angle triangle, perpendicular cannot come inside the triangle. That is why we have to draw the perpendicular outside the triangle. Okay, Mokshita, in a obtuse angle triangle, the perpendicular cannot come inside the triangle. That is why we have to extend one side and draw the perpendicular. And that will be taken as height. Okay. This was the first question of the last exam. Yes. So I hope this point is clear to you and you all will utilize this knowledge to solve the questions of 11.2. I will again make a video so that it can help you. Today, just try till 4th question. Okay. Today, just try till 4th question. After that, we will discuss tomorrow. If you do this, Sarvagya, I promise these concepts will be clear to you for whole of your life. Okay. Let me stop this now. It's 9:54.